we must know about happiness. We must know what is this happiness. I want something. If that happiness definition is simply, if anybody understands that happiness means everybody has got some desires. They get desire. Why? How they do get desire? Maybe my friend has bought a car, so I also want a car. Desire can come like this also. Or I was watching a cricket match, suddenly there is advertisement and I saw something and then I desire there. So desire, by seeing that advertisement, I desire I should have this. There are many channels through desires enters. What are the desires around us is not exactly what we want. It is not from within. It generally comes from outside. We are borrowing the desires, and based on that we develop our expectations, wants or whatever. And if those wants get unfulfilled, doesn't get fulfilled, then we feel unhappy. If they get fulfilled, we feel happy. So the happiness depends on your desires. We have to understand that what is happiness. We spend some time in Vedic language. It is a knowledge. Become a knowledgeable person. Like you want to become a doctor, you have to study 25 years. You want to become an engineer, you study 20 years. But if you want to become happy, how many years you study? Practically, there is no course. In 20 years span, there is no course practically teaching you how to become happy. Generally, people think if I become engineer, I will become happy. If I become IAS officer, I will become happy. But that's not the true thing. There are many IAS officers. One IAS officer commits suicide and says, I am not happy.
हेलो, मेरा नाम मुकेश पांडे है। मैं आईएएस 2012 बैच का ऑफिसर हूँ, बिहार कैडर का। ये मैं पहले से प्री रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ बक्सर के सर्किट हाउस में। यहीं पे मैंने डिसीजन लिया कि मैं दिल्ली में जाके अपने जीवन का अंत कर दूंगा। ये डिसीजन मैंने इसलिए लिया क्योंकि मैं अपने जीवन से खुश नहीं हूँ।
So there must be a course that is specifically focused on happiness. What it is, what it is not, how to achieve that, what is the correct way to approach happiness. There is a specific course, and that is not there. If I ask someone scientifically define happiness, if I tell someone about God, people say, prove me God scientifically. If I ask you about happiness, you give your emotional answer. What is exact happiness? So that's what our ISKCON Youth Forum is doing basically. They're providing a particular curriculum courses on this topic happiness. This is the first thing. So the first formula to be happy is that you have to be a thinker or believer to think. Either you yourself think what is happiness and learn and then approach happiness, or if you don't have that much intelligence or time, then you have to believe on someone who knows how to make you happy. Just like simple thing, if you want to talk to someone, either you understand about cell phone, theory of electromagnetics and all these things and develop yourself a cell phone, or someone scientist has developed a cell phone, you pay the money and then you buy and use it. It's two way. So we have to understand happiness, or we have to be guided by someone who knows how to make you happy. That's what ISKCON Youth Forum is giving to modern youth. And we have courses for this. We have program designed for them to help the youth develop this kind of character, understanding and life. And we assure them that if you take part, it will be really helpful for them. And that is our service to the society.